All right, pad number 6 in the books. Halfway done. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the garage pad project, and today's a big day for this project because we're finally going to be halfway done. Today I'm doing pad number 6. If you guys have been following along, started over there in that corner, been working my way over, and today is pad number 6. Officially gonna be halfway done. You can see I have the rebar that comes out of that pad. All that rebar goes all the way through. The rebar into that pad is just drilled in and then beat in. I really wanted to do rebar specifically on these two corners just to try to give it a little extra support here and there, and make sure that these pads are really tied together and can never move apart. But if you guys haven't been following along, this is going to be for a garage. The total pad when it's done is going to be 32 by 21. You can see I got my ton of sand, ton of gravel, have 6 bags of Portland right there, and a bucket. That's about a half a bag. I still have 1 extra bag just in case I need it. So I got my forms all set, all level. I filled up a good bit. This one's going to be thicker than those ones, but not quite as thick as that one. So we're looking at about a solid 7 inches thick all the way across. And then this edge is a solid like 10 inches. I'm gonna throw you on the time lapse and we're gonna get started. I believe I'm gonna start in that corner, work this way, and then work all this out this way. All right, let's get this done. All right, guys, it's the next morning, so let's check out what we got. See Luna there, inspecting the work, as always. Hi, Luna. So I just pulled these forms off, and I got a really nice edge. You can see nice and solid all the way through, pretty much all the way over. A couple little spots here and there, and this is mostly from not having a really good form on the bottom, and a little bit can just kind of leak out and seep down here, and that's what kind of creates these couple little voids. But for the most part, really nice, really smooth. Was able to get this form off over here pretty easily, so I got my nice rebar going all the way connected to the rebar that's connected to that pad. So got a really good connection on all this rebar. I really like doing it this way. Having some holes drilled in my form. Just like the last video I said, pretty much getting better every time. So this finish ended up being really nice. And I think the way I did this pad is the best way so far. So I would leave the wheelbarrow underneath the mixer and basically do 2 mixes at a time in the wheelbarrow. So it made the wheelbarrow really heavy, but I had to do half as many trips, and it seemed to go by a lot faster just because the mixer spent a lot more time running, a lot less time stopped, a lot more time running. Ended up getting, I think, the nicest finish so far. Just really happy that I have half of this pad done now. So 6 of 12. I actually have a nice little pad to walk around now. If I want to, I could even start parking my Escalade on here. Still would have to wait like another week until I drive on that one, but at least these 4 are more than good to drive and park on. This one was definitely thicker than those 4, but not as thick as this one. I had 7.5 bags of Portland, and I used a full 7 bags for this pad, as well as a whole ton of gravel and about 3/4 of a ton of sand. And that's coarse highway sand, just in case anyone was wondering. I think the plan is going to be do this pad next, and then do the other one on the corner or the side, and then just fill in this one in the middle. I won't need any wood forms, just one on the very end. So I think that'll be the way I do that. Do the next few. Really starting to see it come together, guys. I'm really happy. Now it's not the nicest concrete in the world, but it's 100 times nicer than what I had here. The concrete that was here was so cracked and moved and just unusable. But once I get these next 3 in, I'll be really motivated to finish it and just get the final 3 done. Gonna be really nice, guys. Can't wait. Hope you guys are enjoying this project that I'm doing. Maybe one of these videos I can get 2 pads done in one video. We'll see. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future videos, and so you don't miss out on me completing this big concrete project. And if you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure you drop a big thumbs up down below to let me know. And it really helps out the video, helps it reach a wider audience, and I really appreciate it. So thanks, guys. So it's gonna be all. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.